Now let's come to the use cases and the applications of React Native. Now, if we see the application categories that are very suitable where React Native can be used are social media, e-commerce. If we talk about the e-commerce apps, obviously React Native is well suited for building e-commerce apps with features like product listings, shopping carts, and payment gateways, user accounts. Then these can be cross-platform too because React Native is a cross-platform development tool. So this e-commerce application will be in the market for both iOS and Android users. Then again for social media, the same case is there that this React Native delivers the native like user experience with smooth animations and real-time updates also. There are interactive features available in React Native. So social media features are also suitable for React Native. Then if we talk about the travel applications, Native can definitely power these travel applications too because there is this location tracking available in React Native and reviews section you can create, booking systems you can create, payment gateways are there in React Native. Then if we talk about news and media applications, so React Native is again suitable for these two. That these applications require multimedia rich experiences and up to date content. So React Native is able to deliver timely updates and everything. So all of these applications are not much using the native platform side code, but instead they are using most of the UI side of the code. On the social media also, all the interactions on are on the UI side, then travel and hospitality. So all of these categories are not having much of the platform native code because React Native is suitable for the things where we can code once and it is compilable to both of the platforms. Is if there is much of the platform specific code, then React Native is of course not suitable. If we talk about the gaming applications are going to use deep links and then also high quality graphics. Now these graphics, if they are of very high quality, they are going to be rendered on the native platform of the code. I mean the native platform. So uh, which is not very much accessible to the React Native side of the code. So yes, see these gaming applications are not suitable to be developed via the React Native. If we come on to the companies that use React Native too much is Facebook, Instagram. Obviously, Facebook itself has developed this React Native technology, so it is using that. And then there is this Tesla, Airbnb, Walmart, Discord, SoundCloud. So if you see all of these, most of these want their product to be very quickly updated, very quickly to be in the market, and quick development cycles and stuff like that. The products that are already there and already groomed in the market and they have to be kept optimized, then they do not use React Native because at high levels the optimization is done on the native side. So for example, if we talk about Amazon might not use React Native because they have their product and groomed product already in the market and they want to make their product mature enough. So they will groom it using the native side of the code and instead of the React Native side of the code.